Well, hello and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. The viewers have spoken, and this episode is dedicated to Hamburger Helper. Do you remember Hamburger Helper? Was it something from your childhood? Well, it existed during mine. Hamburger Helper actually came to be in the early 70s. Why, you ask? Because of something you might have heard of, anchovies. I guess there was a lack of anchovies, and anchovies was a primary ingredient in animal feed, which led to an increase in cattle prices, which led to a beef increase, which led to a beef crisis. So beef was very expensive, so people really wanted a way where they could bulk up their beef and make a special meal, and that's how Hamburger Helper came to be. Hamburger Helper is a product of General Mills. Betty Crocker in the late 1960s had a similar boxed meal, but they would cook the meat separate from the noodles, while Hamburger Helper cooked it all in one skillet, making it very simple, and buyers loved it. The original flavors were beef noodle, potato stroganoff, hash, rice oriental, and chili tomato. There are now over 24 varieties of Hamburger Helper. They also created Tuna Helper that utilizes canned tuna, and Chicken Helper that uses chicken. Hamburger Helper's mascot is this four-fingered cutie. Did you know they have a name? It's Lefty. Well, I'm gonna use this box of Hamburger Helper, the crunchy taco kind, and make some easy Hamburger Helper burritos. I'm gonna start by cooking a pound of ground beef. Add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of milk, and the pack of sauce mix that's in the box. Mix that in. I'm adding a cup of salsa. Bring this to a boil. Add in that packet of rice. Mix that in there. We're gonna lower the heat, cover it, and let it simmer for about 25 minutes. Stirring occasionally. Also in the box was a baggie of crunchy topping. Add that and mix it in. Time to make our burrito. I've got a flour tortilla here with some cheese. Then you just add that meat and some sour cream. Let's roll that puppy up. That's tasty. I love learning facts about food products. And you know what? You can help me vote on my next video. Just check out the community tab on my page and place your vote for next month's food history video. I started a business where I weigh tiny items. It's a small scale operation.